My son's vicar will have much to suffer, because for a time the church will be handed over to great persecutions. It will be the time of darkness. The church will undergo a frightful crisis. Ito po, magkakaroon ng crisis sa ating church. At ang kanyang vicar, ang Pope, I will have much to suffer. So, maraming suffer, pagdurusa. Dahil pansamantala ang church, ang simbahan ay ibibigay sa great persecutions. At it will be the time of darkness. So, pababayaan ng ating Panginoon ang ating simbahan. At ibibigay ng ating Panginoon at sa great persecution. So, ipapahintulot niya na i-persecute ang ating simbahan dahil dito sa kasalanan ng ating mga kaparian. It will be the time of darkness, oras ng kadiliman, at ang simbahan ay magkakaroon ng frightful crisis. Magkakaroon ng crisis. With God's holy faith forgotten, each individual will want to direct himself to rise above his peers. Civil and ecclesiastical authority will be abolished. All order and justice will be trampled underfoot. Only wonders, hatred, jealousy, lying, and discord will be seen, with no love of country or family. So, ayun po, dahil ang faith, napabayaan ng ating mga kaparian ang faith at nakalimutan. At ang bawat isa ay nagnanais na lamang na lumamang sa kaniyang kapwa.